You know how so many people complain, bitch and moan every single day, every single year. There's being little bitches about health. Being healthy is so hard. I need food prep. I need to do this and that recipe to make it tasty. I never can get healthy because it's so freaking hard. Same people. Year after year. This is how you make being healthy easy. 100,000 recipes. 78 hours of food prep per week. Bro, what the fuck is going on with these people? Let me tell you, because at the best science we have figured this shit out a long time ago. It does perfectly to my yesterday's video where I talked about perception of things is key. And the people that have created this world, most of us live, know this, and they use our perception of certain things to certain words we use, and they pervert it. Our perception what health and being healthy is completely wrong to what actually being healthy is. It is completely perverse. Is that by design? Or not? Hey, check it out. We got some oysters. Don't drip. Little oyster rant. Now these oysters, you know what everybody says about the oysters, that they are pretty great aphrodisiac. And guess what? They certainly are. That's very right. That popular perception is very right. I have proved it to myself. Come on now. It makes perfect sense if you understand nutrition, health, how body works at all. It makes perfect sense why all oysters would be aphrodisiac. They give your hormones and reproductive system just what it needs so it can work good. It can work healthy. But oysters are also one of the only foods that is alive when you eat it. That you can get. Pure life force. One day we're gonna eat live raw chicken. But we need those subscribers. We need those sponsors so I can go buy myself raw chickens. Love raw chickens. And catch them, cut their throats, drink their blood, and then we eat the whole raw chicken, all the organs, gizzards. I don't know about the feet. I might do a meat stock with those. But anyway, people's perception of health is so motherfucking twisted. That's why people are having so much hard time being healthy, because basically people see healthy being malnourished. That's the problem. You're trying to be healthy, but actually, in the reality we live, you're just malnourished. That's why it's so freaking hard for you. your body doesn't get what it needs. Because you don't understand what health is. Health is basically the almost close to perfect state we human beings can achieve on this earth. And these days it's extremely hard. Everything's going against us to be the healthiest versions we can be. But the levels of health, most of the normies or NPCs are experiencing is very low levels, very far away from perfect levels. And people's perception might be even worse. Like what people think is healthy might be even worse levels of actual health. That there are normal levels of health that already are pretty freaking shit. So no wonder people are having hard times. They're craving this or that food when they try to be healthy. They have to do this or that recipe to please their taste buds. But even if they do please the taste buds, they don't please the body. The body don't get what it needs. So these people are always craving this or that food. This or that fatty or sugary food. Cakes, pies, milk, dairy products, meat. All the things that actually help the people eat. That's the secret. You just have to know your perception of the word healthy and your perception of the thing that actually is healthy in this reality have to match. Easy as. But everything's pretty much going against of people figuring this shit out. Is that for a body sign? Like I already said. You make your own mind about that one. But you don't take a genius. You don't even take a best scientist to figure that shit out. I think you can be half retarded and still figure it out, but never go full retard. Never go full retard. So, we will. Big muscles. Big muscles. Those are the big health. That's what's coming to our senses from every which direction we look. From the social media, the people living in the cities, everywhere. Everybody thinks big muscles, being shredded, having a low body fat. That is what health is. Because that's what the superhero movies told me when I was a kid. And then the action stars told me when I was a teenager. Or if you're a girl, those Barbies, those princesses in the movies. Then the actresses in the movies. In the commercials, in the TV. Then other people around you. And they eat salads. They eat chicken breast like full retards, the worst kind of the chicken. Everybody who actually knows what health is knows that chicken breast is for the momos. Chicken breast is for the mongoloid looking motherfuckers. Get that chicken titty out here. We don't want that shit. If it's raw, it's acceptable. If it's cooked, never. Worst freaking cut of the chicken. Easily. But that's what the healthy people do. Low fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, very bad. Very bad. You get it? Very, very, very bad. But I thought cholesterol was antioxidant in my body. Shut the fuck up, you know nothing. You know absolutely nothing about health. Exercise. Every day. But I don't really feel like it. I'm so freaking tired already. This freaking live in the Matrix. It's killing me. It's killing me. I'm so tired. Everything sucks. There's no reason behind anything. And I'm so freaking tired and depressed. But you need to work out. You need to get stronger. To be healthy. That's your problem. You just don't do enough. That's always the problem. You don't do enough. You don't cook the recipes good enough. Your recipe book sucks. Your recipes are weak. You don't have the right supplements. Your supplement regime sucks. No, not the powders. Not the powders. They make my farts smell insanely bad. Shut the fuck up and go get them powders. Never eat real food. Never eat real living food. Oysters can kill you. It has a bacteria that can kill you. Don't risk it. Even though your life sucks, every single day sucks anyways. But you don't want to die. You need to work for the system a little bit longer. Couple decades longer. To pay those taxes a little bit longer. Even though they can print all the money in the world they want. What the hell is going on? Look at that. Oysters are delicious. So fresh. This is my kind of supplements. My kind of supplements. And these supplements, they only have benefits if they don't kill you. If the bacteria in them don't got your ass, your weak little ass. Ever think about how freaking weak people are these days? I think about it every single day. That's why we're doing this channel. We want to get people strong again. So we can actually take over. Make this world somewhat livable place again, because all the good things are dying in increasing rates, and they're being replaced by a bunch of fucking bullshit. Oh, that's good. That's the best one. The fattiest one. The fattiest one's always the best one. Remember that when it comes to health. Fat, health. But it has to be a good fat. We don't want that toxic fat. Toxicity, not healthy. Toxic people, they're bad for your mental. Toxic fat, they're bad for your physical. Thanks for watching. It has been real.